Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. How is everyone doing? Hope you guys are staying nice and warm at home. Cause we got a lot of snow I think after Maghrib time last night. And this is what we had all on the ground today, on the steps. It's, I would say, about almost 2 feet. So yeah, so we got a blizzard here. Alright people, just a little update from me, but it's a beautiful blue sky, clear blue sky today, but a lot of snow on the ground. It's very cold. Look, and look at that on the window, by the windowsill there, on the what do you call this, mailbox. I can't even think now. Anyway, so we got a lot of snow, and I'm just gonna try and shovel on the steps here so that when the mailman come, he can walk on the steps safely, hopefully. Anyway, the sun is coming out. Oh my god, oh mashallah, so beautiful, right? When the sun just coming out down. Subhanallah, mashallah. Alright people, a little update from me. You guys stay safe and stay warm, alright? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.